BLACK+DECKER CM1070B-1 Coffee Maker is a 12-cup programmable brewer designed for quick, easy, everyday coffee. It delivers rich flavor with Vortex technology and adds convenience with Sneak a Cup. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER CM1070B-1 Coffee Maker, filter basket, 12-cup Duralife glass carafe, and user manual. Product overview. How to use the BLACK+DECKER CM1070B-1 Coffee Maker makes brewing simple and efficient. Just add a paper filter, measure your coffee grounds about 1 tablespoon per cup, fill the carafe with water, and pour it into the rear reservoir. Once everything is set, you can choose regular or strong brew and press the brew button to start instantly with the green LED indicating it's working. It uses Vortex technology to circulate water evenly through the grounds for better extraction, and you can even pause mid-brew with Sneak a Cup to pour a quick cup. After brewing, the machine keeps coffee warm on the hot plate for up to 2 hours, and you can switch it off anytime with the power button for full control. How to clean. To descale the BLACK+DECKER CM1070B-1 Coffee Maker, first make sure the carafe is empty and clean, then fill it with pure vinegar up to the 6 mark and add fresh water up to the 10 mark to create a proper cleaning mix. Pour this solution into the water reservoir, place the carafe back, close the lid, and start a normal brew cycle so the vinegar solution runs through the machine. Once finished, turn the coffee maker off and carefully discard the hot solution, then rinse both the carafe and machine thoroughly with soap and water. Finally, run 2 to 3 cycles of fresh water only to remove any remaining vinegar smell or taste and fully clean the system. Smart features? The Vortex technology showerhead evenly saturates coffee grounds by distributing water in a swirling pattern, ensuring full and consistent extraction. This results in a richer, more balanced flavor in every cup with improved aroma and taste quality. The 12-cup capacity lets you brew a full pot of coffee in one cycle, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Its fast brewing system ensures you get multiple servings quickly without long waiting times. The Sneak a Cup feature temporarily stops the coffee flow so you can pour a cup before the brewing cycle finishes. It helps prevent drips or spills, giving you quick access to fresh coffee without waiting for the full pot. The Brew Strength Selector lets you customize your coffee by choosing a regular or stronger brew setting. It slows the brewing process for a bolder, richer flavor when you want a more intense cup. The 24-hour programmable auto brew lets you set your coffee maker in advance so it starts brewing at your chosen time. It ensures fresh coffee is ready exactly when you wake up or need it using simple, easy-to-use controls. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the BLACK+DECKER CM1070B-1 Coffee Maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER CM1070B-1 Coffee Maker. See you at the next one.